Alright, so I figured while I did reviews already on my purchases and stuff, I never got to do a review on a gift that I got my girlfriend, which a lot of people I know on here look forward to seeing on YouTube and knowing what this bag looks like, and it's iconic and everything. So, as her birthday slash Valentine's Day gift, I got her a brand new Hedi Slimane version Celine Phantom bag. And this bag is sick. I was like super ecstatic for her to get it. It was one of her dream bags, and so I got her the mini luggage. This is the bag. This is the beautiful bag. Hold it up like this so you guys can see it. This is the size of it. So this isn't as big as they come. They come one size bigger than this, but I feel like I got good taste, and I feel like this was the best size bag for her height, because she's nice. She's like beautiful girl, slim, tall. She has it all. So I figured for like her height, the nano wasn't really doing it, even though she still likes the nano bag. I think the red one's cool, but for her height, for the bag that she wanted, I thought that this size was like the best suit for her. So let's get into the bag. I'm going to show you the new details opposed to the old details that Phoebe Philo did on her versions opposed to Hedi's versions. I'm going to tell you what I like about the bag. And yeah, there's nothing I really don't like about the bag other than what she complains about, which is probably the weight. It's a heavy bag. Okay, so to begin, the new Celine bags, even with all their stores, you're gonna notice that there's no more slash in the Celine logo anymore. It's just gonna be the straightforward font, Celine Paris, no slash. The other main detail is going to be, I don't know if you guys noticed, it's no longer in gold. The stamping is all going to be in this silver, chrome, whatever you want to call it, hot stamp. No more gold. That's Hedi's thing. He wants everything very chic and elegant and died down. I don't know if any of the other bags will have gold, but I was told that it's all pretty much going to be silver. The next thing, they discontinued the different colored bags, so not everything is going to be solid colors. I don't know, I think the brightest color we saw so far was like this fuchsia nano, but ain't nobody buying that, even though she wants one. It's no fly zone for that bag. Solid, cool rock and roll colors, but like fuchsia is just a no-go for me. Anyway, other details to this bag. It's got gunmetal hardware. It's not like a bright silver, so gunmetal feet, gunmetal zipper on the face, the silver stamp like I said. Inside of the bag also, there's some of her stuff. Inside of the bag also, the silver is going to be gunmetal. Inside is suede, inside of the leather. The leather itself, I don't know if they discontinued the soft-sided leather, but I thought this leather was way better. This is like, I think it's called this is drum calf, right?
Yeah.
This is the drum calf version. It's not the smooth calf. Honestly, I think this is gonna, over time, wear better. It's not gonna get scratched or anything. So I just think it's a sick bag. Retail is, actually, let's put it right here. I can put this like this so you guys can see. Retail was, what was it?
Tell you now.
I think it's like 3,600.
I think so. That's the medium luggage, right?
Yeah. It's the biggest purse one.
Yeah.
People use it for traveling purposes, but like, I mean, she kind of used it for traveling purposes here for the trip, but for like going out, she throws a couple stuff, a couple things in this bag, her makeup, and she gets chilly, she puts a hoodie in it, blah, blah, blah.
Since we're in France, it's like coming up in euros, so I'm just trying to change
Quick, the people don't got all the time in the world.
Oh my god, you're making me nervous.
Sorry, guys. I think it's like 3,600 after tax. I could be wrong, but it was an expensive bag. But she paid for the trip to Paris as a birthday gift. So, you know your boy had to come right with the gift.
Celine Baby Grains Calfskin Medium Luggage Phantom. It says 34.
3,400 plus tax. 3,600.
Yeah.
So I was right. So guys, in my opinion, if you're gonna go ball out on a bag for your girl, if you're girls and you're watching this and you want this bag, I think it's the bag. I don't think you need to get like, I mean, if you like Mac Daddy, Mac Mama over here and you want to get like the Hermes bag, go ball out by all means. But I think this is like the best bag, you know, chic, elegant, beautiful. It's gonna hold up, it's gonna hold its value, it's not gonna lose value. It's an investment piece. And I love Hedi Slimane, so obviously this was the bag to get. So Hedi way is the only way. So,
and they complimented us in Louis Vuitton today.
Oh yeah, and LV people love
bag.
This, you know, it's Hedi. Hedi everything. Anyway guys, like, comment, subscribe, hit me up on Instagram, Ariel.Rosado29 in the DM if you have any questions. Happy to answer anything. My Airbnb neighbors suck ass. They're being really fucking noisy. But anyway guys, like, comment, subscribe. Catch me in the next vid. Later.